All right, folks, day 2 of my never-ending Colorado snowstorm. Let's go feed. Oh, my snowy corgi. Are you coming to help? No. Okay. So, sorry. I put my other glove on. Coming straight down again, which is really good. If it's going to snow, this is the way we like it. Sorry, I can't get my glove on with one hand. All right. I'm sorry, you guys. Get to see my finger. Okay, you can see it coming down pretty good. Look at all the snow hanging off the roof. We got a pretty good pitch too. But look, the horses are under the roof instead of standing out in the snow. That's good. I wish I would have had my camera when I turned Snap and Cash loose yesterday, because they were running around, and Cash, the mares went through a big drift, and Cash was like, "You can't go through that, it's too tall." And he finally made it. So how we doing there? Cash, are you a Colorado horse now? Here in the winter time? All right, we don't have to fight. No. All right. You don't have to do that right around me. Hi, buddy. Say hi to all your fans. He's like, "Can you take me back to Arizona where it doesn't snow?" Actually, it does snow if you watch Alan's channel, The Farm on Route 66. She's like, "That's my dad." It snowed at his house yesterday and the day before, I think, so. Oh, she just ran him off. She's like, "No, that's my dad." All right, well, what are we gonna do here, folks? I think I'm gonna move some waters around and then put everybody up, at least for now. And then I just need to get a water tank in one of these stalls here, because are you helpful? She's like, "Yes, I'm helpful." Because her water is still under a snowdrift, so I'll have to address that. Anyways, I'll need both hands for that, so I will check back in with you after I get them all in their pins. So hot sauce is gonna go in this little pin today. I couldn't, all the other big tanks are under snow somewhere, so I just found this. She's gonna get buckets. Cash is like, "Hey, are you planning on feeding us at all?" But you guys could be in it doesn't snow inside, but it is so nice that it's coming down like this, straight down. It's calling for like 15 to 20 mile an hour winds later, so I don't think this is gonna last, but I'm thankful for it right now. Snap, get under your shelter. Okay, so everybody's kind of tucked in. I opened this panel so that she could get to either one of those shelters, because this one has a lot of mud in it right now, and she might not want to stand in that. Got the water's ice broken. Cash is cozy in his spot. Hot sauce isn't gonna be real happy being in a little one, because she's usually in the big one. But they all got water, they all got shelter. And my yellow hose is drained, but sometimes it gets covered in snow. But if I lose it, I can always just turn them out and they can get water in this one, which has a hydrant right there. Anyways, so we will, let's check the cat's food, because Spartacus, the world's best cat, got lots of food left. We put it in I have to put it up on top of the haystack, because my dog will eat it if I put it in a normal spot. Anyways, Spartacus loves the hay, because that's his before he can get warm, but he caught a bird yesterday, which is awesome. But he keeps the varmints down, and I'm thankful for him. And he's old, and I worry about him, but he's been the world's best cat. I'm not a big cat guy, but this cat changes my mind. I like cats now. Anyways, here we are from Colorado, day 2 of SNOWNADO, I guess. It's calling for another 8 to 10 inches today. If it keeps coming down like that, we'll be in good shape. If it blows in sideways like it did on Wednesday, then these drifts are going to get bigger, and it will make the next few weeks to a month very difficult around here. Anyways, thanks for coming along, feeding with me. I hope you're warm and cozy wherever you are.